Guys, Keith Trades. Today is November 5th, election day, and we did pretty darn well. Again, to start off the day with a loss. Looking back, not upset about that trade. Took the re-entry, hit nicely, ended off green. Took a personal trade, absolute banger, A+ setup, and that's what we really want to go over today. But let's get right into it. Right, very, very simple structure, right? Clear buying off the open. And my main point to look for was going to be this daily fair value gap reprice. And we have the strong buying off the open and we're priced there. What I liked about my trade is if we go, we see that NQ at around 7 o'clock had repriced to the daily fair value gap. If we go to ES around 7 o'clock here, what do we see? Have not hit that daily fair value gap. So on the higher time frame, we saw a SMT here, right? 7 o'clock candle. We saw an SMT with a lower high on ES, and going into NQ we saw the higher low. So I saw the SMT. I like the short reversal off the daily, and we got in short off of this inverse here. I never really found the selling pressure, and we just got stopped out, and that's totally fine. We added on top of that another SMT, so we can see that this 7 o'clock high here failed to sweep. Lower high for NQ. Coming to ES, we see at 7 o'clock, we had swept out that high. Higher high. Higher high for ES. Lower high for NQ. Zooming in, we found our point of entry off the inverse. I ended up getting short at the 85s. Inverse close entry here. And my target was very simple, just this internal low. For about 25 points. Stop loss was just above here for 11 points. So that was our one win that we took. Again, small size loss here. I put more contracts on this trade with the added SMT externally and internally, and it delivered in 2 minutes just nicely. And that is pretty much all I did for the live. Hopped off at around 8 o'clock, and then I took my own personal trade, which it was a trade I was looking for. Is my long ball continuation. So coming into the day, first things first, we see the daily range. We had repriced to discount and respected very nicely. Coming in even more, we had dipped down into this daily, our fair value gap. And we also have an added confluence at SMT here. As we can see, we see NQ repriced to the 1 hour. And if we go to ES at the same time frame, we see what? ES fails to reprice to that 1 hour. So we see a higher low for ES, and we see a lower low for NQ. That's the SMT fair value gap, the last added confluence. Clear buying, retrace the discount, respect of discount very clearly. We add the SMT here, and now what am I looking for? Looking for a point of entry. Right, we had a bearish 5-minute that I was looking for, so I waited for it to inverse. Once we inverse closed above, I got my entry at the 1 minute fair value gap. I added one contract here, and then I added at the 1 minute fair value gap with the inverse, just placing stops below the inverse 5. And my target was very simple: scale break even at this high, and then full price target, obviously a new high on the day. This trade paid nicely, 26 points up to 44 points. So again, one small size loss here. Again, not upset about it. We added extra confluence with the internal and external SMT. Instant delivery to our target. And then one last personal trade here, which is the retrace to discount SMT, respect of the 1 hour, inverse 5-minute. And then here's my point of entry off the 1 minute fair value gap plus the inverse 5. We long that. Internal target, scale break even, full PT hit here. And obviously she ripped a lot. But that is it, guys. Very simple. 2 for 3. We're going to play small size until we get the election, until after FOMC, until we get who wins. We will play small size. But again, 2 green days this week and a very great day, and we're going to continue to push it. But thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and if you want to join the Discord, we'd love to have you. The link is in the bio. Until next time, guys, peace out.